What's the matter, Pom-Poms?
We all feel kind of sad.
Maybe you should ground yourself.
Oh, grounding? What's that?
Something that makes people calm down to feel better.
What's grounding exactly anyways?
It helps with happiness. It makes me happy.
Has it worked for you?
Of course it did. It's a lot better than calm cheer.
Is it like this? Up, down, up, down, up.
No.
Anyway, can you show us how?
Yes. First, set crisscross applesauce with palms facing up. Gently close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Now imagine your tree. And your roots are going down, 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 down to the center of the earth. Feel the energy in your toes, in your calves, in your knees, in your thighs, in your back. Feel the energy filling you up. Release any pain, sadness, anger, frustration down in your root to the center of the earth. Breathe in, breathe out. When you feel better, gently open your eyes.
Whoa, that felt great. My root looked like a long, windy tree. That was awesome.
My root looks like a waterfall with a rainbow. And you're feeling down. You should learn to ground. Don't feel sad. You should always feel glad for the things you have.